drag racing is your thing, mastering smooth tire burnouts can speed up your race. The Hurst Roll Control does this by locking up the front tires so you can heat up the rear tires without using the rear brakes, making tire burnout seamless. This even heating of the tires boosts traction and performance. You can now find Hurst Roll Control line lock kits designed specifically to fit Ford Mustangs, GM F and G body vehicles, and even late model Challengers. These kits have everything you need for a fast and simple installation. They come with a stainless steel roll control valve, bracket, brake line, fittings, momentary switch, and wiring. Thorough testing has shown a super quick release time of 1/100,000th of a second and the ability to withstand vibrations up to 30 Gs without any mechanical issues. The proven design focuses on quality with a stainless steel valve assembly that resists corrosion, an enclosed epoxy molded electric coil, an aluminum housing for dispersing heat, and a secure mounting with a broader lightweight base. A universal line lock kit is also available, which includes a stainless steel valve assembly, threaded port for extra devices, a snap action switch, indicator light, fuse, screws, and instructions. Get yours at holley.com.